Xiaomi's Redmi has launched its first flagship K20 smartphones in China today. Touted as Flagship Killer 2.0, the all-new Redmi K20 Pro features 3D gradient glass back and a metal unibody with top-of-the-line specifications. It also boasts of triple rear camera setup with 48-megapixel primary sensor highlight. The company during China launch mentioned rainbow-like color shifting of the back panel in Redmi K20 Pro. The Redmi K20 Pro has been priced at starting RMB 2,499 for the base 6GB plus 64GB variant. The phone also comes in 3 more variants of 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB priced at RMB 2,599, RMB 2,799 and RMB 2,999, respectively. On the other hand, the Redmi K20 is a more affordable version of the Pro, which starts at RMB 1,999 for the 6GB plus 64GB variant, while the one other variant with 6GB plus 128GB configuration will cost RMB 2,099. Xiaomi is likely to launch the K20 Pro in India very soon, but we are yet to hear official communications. The Redmi K20 Pro and Redmi K20 Pack feature similar design with 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with pop-up selfie camera and 70Hz in-display fingerprint sensor. Internally, the processor is different. The Redmi K20 Pro offers Qualcomm's top-end Snapdragon 855 SoC with 6GB or 8GB of RAM coupled with enhanced gaming experience through Game Turbo 2.0, DC dimming features. The Redmi K20 Pro comes in 4 different variants. The 2 variants with 6GB RAM offer 64GB or 128GB internal storage, whereas the 8GB RAM variants offer 128GB storage and 256GB storage. On the other hand, the Redmi K20 offers Snapdragon 730 SoC with 6GB of RAM. It comes in 2 variants with 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage configuration. Both the Redmi K20 series phones include 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C and 27 watts fast charging support.